We ordered this a Craft ice maker replacement for our LG refrigerator. It's a really easy installation. That's actually the bottom of it. And on the top here, there's two holes, which are just the two screws that are going to go in. There's the electrical harness. And then on the side, there is a hole for a knob that you're going to slide it into. And then that's actually just going to go up into the refrigerator. You do want to turn off your power, which we didn't, but you want to turn off your power, disassemble, move things out of your way, the front cover, the tray, and the shelf. And then there's the two screws that we're going to unscrew right up here, and everything will drop down. There's the electrical harness that you're going to need to remove, and there's the knob over here on the side. For the electrical harness, there is a little latch on here that you're going to need to pull out, so just something to note when you're trying to remove this from the refrigerator. Then we went ahead and put the new ice maker in, which was just putting the harness back in, fitting it into the little knob on the side, adding the two screws. Whole process took about 10 minutes getting this all hooked up. Turn the power back on, and then we're going to go ahead and go inside the refrigerator. And then inside, we want to go to the craft settings. There's off. You have a choice of 6 ice cubes or 3 ice cubes. We like the 3, so we'll leave it at that. Then we hit the reset button. If you don't know where the reset button is, it's actually underneath. Here it is. So you're going to have this ice maker in your refrigerator like this, and then underneath is that reset button. So we hit that, and then 24 hours later, voila, we've got our 3 little ice cubes. It does take time, so be patient, but overall we're super happy. We have our craft ice back again.